Come, let me teach you. On the board, we have solve the following equation. This is a linear equation. When you have a problem like this on the board, you don't need to waste your time racking your brain on what to do. Very simple. This is a fraction equal to another fraction. Linear equation. Now, what should you do to this? Immediately you have something like this. Immediately, you don't need to waste your time. First of all, you cross multiply. The first thing that should come to your mind is cross multiplication. Very simple. So I say my solution. I'll repeat the question. You have your 3 over 4 plus y equal to 4 minus 1 minus 3y. Cross multiplication. You cross multiply. You're using this 4 here to multiply everything here. Use this 3 here to multiply everything you have here. Now, let's multiply. You say your 4, you open the bracket, 4 plus y, you close the bracket. You have your equality sign. You use this 3 to multiply everything here. You have your 3, open the bracket, 1 minus 3y. Have you seen it? Very simple. So what will be the next thing? Having done this, we need to open the bracket. Now, how do we open the bracket? Very simple. You use the number outside to multiply everything in the bracket. You use the number outside to multiply everything in the bracket. By so doing that, you multiply the bracket, opening it. Now, let's open the bracket. You say your 4 times 4 will give us your 16. You have your sign. You have your 4 times y, which is your 4y. Now, if you open this bracket, you have the next one. You have your 3 times 1 is 3. You have your sign. You have your 3 times 3y is 9y. So we've done this. Now, got into this place, what should be the next thing? If you watch, the variables are different. That's staying in a different place. This equality sign here has shifted the variable or has scattered the variable. So what we need to do now is to bring the variables together and bring the coefficient together. Now, let's collect our like terms. The only way it can be done is by collecting like terms. You say collecting like terms. Now, how do we collect our like terms? Now, this coefficient here will remain here, which is your 16. Now, there's another coefficient after the equality sign, which is plus 3. There's an invisible plus here. When this invisible plus 3 crosses over this equality sign and comes over, it changes to minus 3. Then you have your equal to. Now, equality sign, you have your minus y, minus 9y. Because after this plus 3 has crossed over, what remaining here is minus 9y. Then in minus 9y, you bring it down. Now, the next one that has a variable again is plus 4y. Plus 4y. What should I do? I'll take this plus 4y to meet the minus 9y. How should I do that? Now, there's plus 4y here. When the plus 4y crosses this equality sign and goes over to the other side, it will change it to minus 4y. Now, like terms has been collected. Same variable, same coefficient. So what should I do? We work on the subtraction. You say 16 minus 3 give us 13. We have this. Minus 9y minus 4y will give you minus 13y. Now what should we do? We want the variable to stand alone. For the variable to stand alone, we need to cancel both sides by minus 13. We divide both sides by minus 13. So you say divided by minus 13, divided by minus 13. See it? Minus cancels minus, 13 cancels 13. What is remaining? Y is remaining. So y is equal to, when 13 cancels 13, you have 1. So it goes to minus 1. So you say, therefore, we shift it so that the variable comes this way before the coefficient. You say, therefore, y is equal to minus 1. Thank you.